Hi, and welcome to the Wi-Fi Hacking for Beginners course. So, first of all, let's see what will you learn in this course. In this course, you will learn how to hack wireless networks using multiple techniques. You will also learn how to use tools like Aircrack NG, Wireshark, Cowpatty, Pirate, Crunch, River, and so on. And at the end of the course, I'm going to teach you how to create an evil twin access point. All the videos in the course are straight to the point and have less than 5 minutes. So you will learn the right way to do things in the shortest amount of time. And after completing this course, you'll be confident with breaking all types of Wi-Fi encryption methods and how to use Kali Linux. Now let's see who is this course for. This course is for beginners or anyone who wants to learn about wireless hacking. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching and I will see you inside the course.